Alright guys, what we have is the part 2 of the barrel build. What we're going to do is we're going to cut a section of this out, weld a couple hinges on it, make it into a door so we can access the inside of it. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and strip all this paint off here. So I'm going to go get some paint strip here after a bit, after I get done welding, cutting and all that stuff on it. And we weld a couple bars in the front and make it look like you can't get out of the barrel. So we'll weld a couple handles on, some kind of a door latch, and see what that does. So let's get at it. Ooh, boy, wobbly. So what we're going to do is, I'm just finding stuff around the garage to tinker with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld one of these on the inside of this door. I'll cut this off, weld that like so in there. I'll do this one over here. We got a little bungee cord. That'll hold that door shut so the actor can get in and out of the thing, or we can access it however it may be. So let's do that. Let's weld this up. just how I got it set up. Of course, I'm too tall for it. The scare actor can be in here. So do whatever, or we can put something in here. But I think the scare actor is probably going to be the cool way to go. So it's a little tight with my big butt. But anyway, put this handles on there. I cut out this. I just left it rough. I didn't want it nice and smooth, so I left it rough when I cut with the torches. I left a little radioactive paint on it. So probably needs I like it better raw, so there it is, guys. There's the barrel. Said I just used lug nuts. I'll put 4-wheeler on there. I'll put some round bar on there. Makes a noise whenever you rattle it, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna put some green lights up in the top of this, in the top. So this is, so let's see, what was I gonna do? Oh, let's do this. We can put this inside or on top. Let's plug it up and see what it looks like on that. Okay. Just for the giggles of it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn her on. Hey, there she is. So, that might not be too bad, guys. Let me turn off the lights. We can put it even down there if we wanted to. That's pretty neat, I think. There she is. That's the raw form of it. So now we're gonna, I cut that out with torches. I just free-handed that mostly. Nothing major, no big deal. But there it is. All right. I don't know what that'll look like inside. I ain't gonna put it inside. Yeah, let's try it inside. See what it does. See what it looks like in there. It's pretty neat. Something different. Maybe we'll put some red lights in the bottom around that. And we'll do green up there. Something different. Right. I just used an old door handle. Now guys, this stuff is pop metal, man. That stuff, it's probably gonna break. It probably ain't gonna hold. But I tacked it on there best I can until I find me something else I can just throw on there. Nothing major. All right, guys, this is part 2 of our barrel build. So I had to take all the paint off of it. I thought it looked so much better with the paint off of it. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take and I'm going to show you how to rust this. So we'll rust it up, then we'll take and throw some clear coat on it just so it don't further rust. But there it is. So hope you guys enjoy the build. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and hit that little notification bell so you can keep up to date on all the builds I'm going to do. Like I said, this is part 2 of this, so stay tuned for part 3, and we'll get it all did up and stuff like that, so I can show you the final product. So I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you on the next build. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you have a happy new year. All right, guys, here's what we got here. This is going to be the next build after I get the barrel done. These are going to be, these are my girls, man. Look, they can't bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, these are going to be our Silent Hill girls. So I'm going to get some heads and put on here. I'm going to show you how to wrap the heads. I've never done it before. I got an idea how I'm going to do it. This one here, the arms and the torso are totally different. Like each torso has a name. Like this is Tara, and these arms belong on Julie. So you have to go through, I got about 50 of these things, and you got to go through and find all the arms that matches Julie or Tara or whatever it may be. I didn't do that because I wanted them a little weird, bent up and crazy. So I got some more crazy ones. I've got nurses' outfits in the truck, and once we get this barrel finished, we'll start on the Silent Hill girls, the Silent Hill nurses, and just show you how I'm going to do it, see what it looks like. If it looks like it's going to work out pretty good, we'll go ahead and do some more. I just have to order some more nurses' outfits and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't be afraid to just build it. Thanks for watching, guys.